Why are you getting a divorce?
Ask your mother.
Why, Ma?
Tell him it's because I'm a failure. I'm useless. A man can't provide for his family. He ain't got no right to be a husband.
I never said that. I never even hinted that I see you that way.
Did too.
When?
Lots of times.
When?
You telling me I didn't hear those accusing things you said to me?
No, I'm not. I believe you heard them. I just never said them. I think you block out my voice and put in a voice from your own head.
Now that's really great. Now you're telling me I'm crazy.
There, you see? I never said you're crazy. You just said I said you were crazy.
I didn't.
You did too.
I said you said.
I said that you never hear what I say.
Well, I'm hearing you now.
Then what did I say?
You said I'm crazy. Charles, I don't see nothing funny in it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You better tell me why you're laughing.
Well, he says, and she says, she didn't say you were crazy. You said you were crazy.
Well, what did she say?
I don't know what she said.
What did you say?
I want you all to try to be very calm. I would only like to know, are we or are we not getting a divorce?
Well, I don't know. Are you?
Mr. Garvey, I'm going to concur with the general consensus. Your wife did not tell you you're crazy. But I am. I'm telling all of you, you're crazy.
Can we go home now, Pa?
I don't see why not. Come on. Charles, can we get you and your family to join us for dinner tonight?
We'd love to.
I'll bring a casserole.
Don't eat. We're gonna eat high off the hog if I get my wife to spend some of her post office money. So, I'll see you.
We'll see you.
That was the most amazing thing.
What did you say?
That was the most amazing thing.
You didn't say that. You said I was crazy.
No,